Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you're unable to install some apps on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general, go to software update, and from here go to updates, and from here check this to latest update from here and download and install the latest version of the software on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply scroll it below and tap on date and time. Set your date and time from here or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back, and now we have to simply go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.